Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, we're with the '01 Ford Escape here, and we're going to change the in-cabin air filter. So why am I under the hood? Well, that one happens to be actually underneath this panel right here. So that's where they keep this one, but it does, you know, take care of the air on the inside. I'm hoping this might be fairly easy, but definitely more hard than the Buick Rendezvous, surprisingly, considering everything on that car is horrible to work on. But neither here nor there, we're going to start pulling these off. And first thing we need to do actually is I'm going to vacuum out all the crud here just to try and keep as much out of the way as possible and keep it from going down inside. Well, we got this all cleaned up now. Now the first thing you're going to notice over here, hopefully it's in the screen, is I put the windshield wipers up. Now to do that, you gotta turn your windshield wipers on and then turn the key off when it's up in this position. That just gets it off of here and out of your way. Then the next thing we got, it appears to be 1, 2, 3, 4, don't see any there, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. It looks like somebody's been in here before maybe and just put the inner piece of some of these clips in. Alright, and the next thing I did is stick this down in here and put this up here, and it actually fits right into the hole. It's just one of those old Harbor Freight clamps, wood clamps, or whatever you want to use it for, but anyway. And that holds that hood up a lot. Now obviously you can use whatever you want that you safely feel that will hold your hood up, but that way it just gets the hood out of your way a lot more. So scratch things up, but you're probably gonna. I'd hold your hand over this as well. Yep, they're just little black clips that go over these screws, and some of them are missing. These ones in the front, you can kind of push up on them. Sometimes these kind of ones will come out, but usually they don't. But if you push up kind of in the middle, you can push them right up and out. Sometimes you need to take your screwdriver and unscrew them more, but honestly, these are coming out, then this pops up right here, and that just separates it right there. So I'm going to go through, pull all these screws out, pull the rest of these clips off, and in theory this should pop up from here. Got a bit of a seal, rubber seal on here, so try not to kill that. And you got to push up in this corner, it looks like, and out. There we go. So this little corner gets stuck on there pretty good. Something I will say, this is looking pretty ugly right here, and I can see right here where one of these screw clips is missing. Let's see here, which one is that? No, but there is a hole right here. It goes right down inside. Yeah, it looks like it actually probably comes down this. This is one of those things that, although I never do it, it probably is something that at some point in time, every now and then, you should pop this off and clean this out. So I'm going to do that as well with the vacuum cleaner, because your water actually does maybe drain down through that. Now it looks like that should have a cover. I may caulk something over that, we'll see. But anyway, it should drain down in here and run down this channel right here and then out of the car, hopefully. Usually somewhere in between it gets clogged up and rusty. Alright, I moved you over to the side of the car so hopefully you can get a little better look. It says pull, so I'm assuming you pull it forward and up, and that removes that. Oh my goodness, this is a new one for me. Oh, people, if you're the moron that owned this car, or a moron that has done this in the past, you're a complete moron. No filter in here, just nothing. Why? I don't know, but this could probably go in there and destroy the heater fan. It might allow moisture and water get down in there. There's a reason there's filters on things. There's a reason things are put where they are. If you're the kind of person that takes them off, throws them away, and doesn't replace them, you're a moron. Alright, back to the video. Well, normally, after you pull that out, there would be a filter right here that you would pull out and replace. And it's pretty self-explanatory from here on out, especially if you don't have to take the other one out. But on here somewhere it'll say airflow and an arrow. So my air is coming in through here and going down through there, so I want my arrow pointing down. So this one goes this direction. Here's, I give you little plastic handles here to kind of hold on to them. That's on there. Now we take the top piece here, dump some of the dirt out. Then there's 3 little holes right here that these plastic pieces kind of pop into, it looks like. Oh, they just kind of sit in there actually. I was thinking the ends went down in the holes, but they don't. They just kind of sit on top of those holes. And then right here and here is where one of the clips goes on to hold this on, which will hold this down. So fairly easy. Well, putting this on, we'll see how difficult this part of it is. Not too bad that way. There you go. Biggest thing is you got over in the corner over here, you got a little rubber doodad that's got to kind of fit right down around the corner of the hood here. But that was fairly simple. Alright, someday I'm going to have to replace that just to try and keep some more water out of here. But right now, yet again, if you open up every can of worms and keep fixing and doing, pretty soon you have a brand new car from start to finish and it won't be worth it. So little at a time. Sometimes, like in this case, had I thought about that or known about that, I might have ordered another set of these or something like that, because I was doing this anyway. But really it's not too long and it's done. So this will at least keep the inside of the car a little bit cleaner, a little bit fresher air, hopefully. That's about it. Stick the clips in and you're done. Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, Master of none. You all have a good one.